Have you ever judged someone just by the way they looked, only to realize later how wrong you were? Sometimes life teaches us powerful lessons in the most unexpected places. Today's story is more than just a tale. It is a journey of respect, kindness, and understanding. This is not only a story, it's a chance for you to learn English through stories, improve your English listening practice, and discover a moral that can change the way you see people forever. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a gentle old woman. Her life was simple. Her clothes were plain, and her footsteps were slow but steady. She was not rich, but inside her heart lived a treasure of love and dignity. Her only son was a young and brave police officer who served the people with honesty and courage. One bright morning, the mother decided to visit the local bank. She needed to withdraw some of her savings. With a small passbook in her hand and hope in her heart, she walked slowly to the bank. But as soon as she entered, the atmosphere around her began to change. People waiting in line turned their heads and stared. Some whispered, some smirked, and a few even stepped back. Her clothes looked too old, her hands too rough, and her face too tired. A man in a neat suit frowned and said in a low voice, "Why is this beggar standing here?" Another woman laughed and whispered, "She doesn't look like she belongs inside a bank." The old woman heard every word, but she stayed calm. She simply stepped aside, holding her passbook tightly, and waited. The guard at the door gave her a cold look, but said nothing. People in the queue continued to move forward, yet no one offered her a smile, not even a simple hello. Minutes passed like hours. The old woman kept her eyes low, but inside her heart she felt a quiet storm. She thought of her son, the brave police officer who had once promised, "Mother, you will never have to worry about respect. You deserve it every day." But here she was, surrounded by strangers who judged her only by her appearance. Finally, the bank manager came out from his office. He was a young man with kind eyes. When he noticed the old woman standing alone, he walked toward her with a warm smile and said, "Mother, how can I help you?" The woman raised her tired eyes and softly replied, "I came to withdraw some of my savings, son." The manager took her passbook, opened it carefully, and his eyes widened in surprise. Inside the book was not a small balance, but a large amount of money that she had saved over many years. The room suddenly became silent. People who had laughed now stared in shock. The woman they had insulted was not a beggar. She was a customer with more savings than many of them combined. Just then, the loud sound of a siren echoed outside. A police jeep stopped in front of the bank. Everyone turned to look. A young officer stepped out with confidence and respect. He wore a crisp uniform and carried an air of authority. It was the old woman's son. He walked quickly to his mother and said with a gentle smile, "Mother, I came as soon as I heard you were at the bank. Why didn't you tell me? I would have come earlier." Then, in front of everyone, he saluted his mother. The crowd gasped. The whispers died. The truth was now clear. The woman they had mocked was the respected mother of a police officer, a woman of dignity, love, and strength. The people who had pushed her lowered their eyes in shame. Some stepped forward to apologize. The old woman gave a soft smile and said, "Money does not make a person great. Kindness and respect do." Her words fell like gentle rain, washing away the pride and prejudice inside the hearts of the onlookers. That day, everyone in the bank learned a lesson they would never forget. Dear listeners, this story is not just about a mother and a son. It is a reminder for all of us. Never judge a person by their clothes or appearance. Every heart carries a story, and every human being deserves dignity and love. If you enjoyed this Learn English Through Stories session, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs this lesson today. Your support helps us bring more inspiring tales for your English listening practice and for your heart.